Monster Case Breaks doing 2021 Bowman Jumbo for Shane. Good luck, Shane. And then we're on to new hobby cases, either hobby or jumbo. If you would like either one. Shane, they're wishing you good luck on YouTube. It's time for our first red or super of 2021 in Bowman. Brady Encarnacion for the Marlins. Martin, paper. Julio Rodriguez. Kalenic out of 150. There's Martin and Sabato.
Were you wanting me to look up this coin?
Oh,
or was
well,
this...
I mean, I wouldn't mind knowing what it... it wouldn't be for me, it'd be for somebody else.
Okay.
But, I am not, like...
Blaze Jordan.
I don't really feel like I won't proud.
Sorry. With so much commotion
Oh,
there
I
at the
understand.
moment, I was like trying to remember what I was doing.
Man, our first super of the year coming up.
Ooh.
Good luck, Shane. Otani, 283 of 399. Kenzie Gore out of 125. Hedbert Perez, first Bowman Chrome auto. Hey, Marshmallow Man, we're just sorry. The guy who ran the store for us took a job with a grading company, and we're just behind on shipping. I'll try to get him out to you today. But that's just the reality. We're down a person. We have a new, very good person coming in tomorrow to help. That's a good sign. 2 autographs and a super coming up. We'll do it last if that's okay, Shane. Insert super. Yep. What?
That's how much
For what?
for this.
I don't know. What is it?
go.
Found it in one of the boxes over here.
I mean, that's what.
How much is it?
It sold for $44.
Really? We're gonna keep that one back there. That should be in the. Well, and it didn't have a price on it. It was just in a
Yeah.
$5 or $10 box.
Who would have thought?
I knew that it wasn't a $5 or $10 thing.
Thank you for pulling that out. Let me make sure I'm comparing it to the right thing. Yeah, it says easy. Yeah, 44 was shipping. Thank you all.
Thank you for coming. How much is the Zion whiskey? Author. The Zion author. Jersey card author.
That-
one up.
That's 12. I looked at it yesterday.
$12? I'll take it.
Just add a couple zeros.
Yeah, I knew it was out of my price and I saw a sweet looking card. It's nice looking.
Good luck, Shane. Freddie Freeman Gold, 15 of 50.
So what did he hit? Oh, you haven't.
I haven't
revealed
revealed it. It's a Superfractor coming up.
Yet. Oh.
I'm waiting on you here.
I didn't see who it was. I just saw the one of one.
Okay.
I saw the gold and the one of
You're
one.
gonna keep us all in suspense, huh?
Ed Howard, there you go, 76 of 499. Oh, sorry, I missed the Veen in between there. Riley Green. Tatis out of 125. Well, this might be the ultimate way to keep going, Shane. James Beard. Gyro Pomaris, first Bowman Chrome for the Giants. Austin Martin, Bryce Jarvis, William Holmes, Christian Robinson Refractor, oh, that was it. All right, good luck. I think. Pray we don't have an autograph in here. How's that? Tristan Casas out of 499.
He's gonna just keep us in suspense a while, isn't
I gotta get back to my conference.
Good luck, Shane. Here we
he?
go.
Conference, you're from out of town, are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
From Florida.
oh, well, thank you for stopping by and for
Here
your
we
kind,
go.
helpful words.
See if we recognize who it is. Ah, it's going to give it away too early. For the Royals, 1 of 1 super. Asa Lacy, congratulations, man. Beautiful Superfractor.
You want to see it? Oh. You can step over and look if you want.
Positional promise. There you go.
Don't trip on
It's got all
Oh,
that
that's
beautiful
cool.
gold in
Yeah,
it.
that's nice. That's sweet. Always cool.
Yep.
I think I am ready to.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna get a pack of.
Hey, Shane, do you want this in a top loader or in a
Yes, ma'am.
one touch? Do you have a preference?
Let's do left,
Okay.
and then we'll do right on that.
All right.
And then I don't know if I could purchase, since I don't have a top loader with me
Oh.
there in Florida. Can I purchase
Yeah.
some sleeves and individual?
I wouldn't. I one touch is not good, but that's what some people want. So
Use what you need there. If you need more, we'll get you more.
congratulations, man. Thank you very much. Hopefully that makes up for earlier.
I try to keep some stuff just in case I ever open up something.
And
Yeah.
congratulations on the Superfractor.
But it's hard when you travel.